Hi everyone, it's Kayla from Kayla Ray Vinyls, and today I'm going to show you how to use vinyl stencils as a stamping plate. So here I have Nordic Star stencils from the Kayla Ray Vinyl shop. As you can see here, I've done most of my nails. To prep for this manicure, you're going to want to paint your nails, whatever base color you like, and let it dry until it's either completely dry or mostly dry. You just don't want it to be tacky. You're going to peel up your stencil. You see this one's still, not sure if the camera's quite picking it up, but you can see that there's little pieces of the stencil still stuck to it, so we want to remove those negative spaces. So to do that, just press the vinyl to the back of the stencil, and when you pull it up again, all the little negative space pieces should be gone. So we're going to stick that on a silicone mat. You can use a designated nail mat, or you can use one like this. This is actually a hot glue gun mat that I picked up at Dollarama for about $2 Canadian. So really affordable option, and it works just exactly like other mats. I have a couple of regular nail mats, and I find myself actually using this one more because it's a little bit smaller, which I like for my workspace. So to prep my nail, I'm going to use one of the cuticle guards, also from Kayla Ray Vinyls. These do stretch, so they will fit around every cuticle size. Just going to put it on, and that way I can reduce the amount of cleanup I'll have on my stamping. So there, now I'm all set. I'm going to be using this clear stamper that I got from eBay, along with a plastic scraping mat. I haven't tried this with a metal one, so I'm not sure if a metal one will scrape or lift the vinyl off the mat, but the plastic one does seem to work very well. And the polish I'm going to use is this dark blue from the Trendy nails sold at the Face Shop, and the color is BL607. I actually like this as a stamping polish. It's pretty opaque and easy to work with, and it doesn't dry too quickly, which is nice for stamping. So now that we have our image actually straight on the silicone mat, you can treat that exactly like any stamping plate. This has the benefit of it's not going to slide around or anything when you're trying to use it. So we're just going to put a fairly generous amount of polish right on the stencil. Give it a scrape. Pick up the image with the stamping, and you do want to do this pretty quickly. And there we have it. We have a perfect pickup. So I'm just going to place this. I want the image to be a little bit off my nail, so I'm sort of placing it at the top of my cuticle. Give it a press and lift up. And there we go. Perfect transfer. So that's all you have to do. After you've stamped your nails, let them dry for just a couple minutes and seal them with your favorite non-smudgy top coat. The one I like to use most is this one from Glaze, the Fast Forward top coat, but I know there are several other options out there for top coats that won't smudge your nail out. So that's all for today. See you next time.